What's up, guys? This is Riley Anderson here. I'm sorry it's been a while. We've been trying to overcome a bunch of obstacles of trying to get the wheels done, trying to overcome some stuff. But last time I left off on part 4, and I'm sorry if it's been a little while. It's been 9 months. I unwrapped it. I unwrapped the frame, getting in the frame back. We started to put the suspension back together, and let me just fill you in. We've been working on like everything in the background of trying to get stuff ready so we can just like set it in the frame and get it going. So far, last episode got the Caribou frame back. Awesome. Since then we've gotten these on, gotten pretty much everything else on, gotten suspension on, got the wheels back, got the little idler wheels back. This is our prototype one. It looks like crap, but like this is the original wheel, original plastic, but we had a friend redo these outside. Looks awesome, but this is just the prototype wheel that we had to use. Excuse me. What I'm doing now is I guess you'd say the holder for the things that I polished. These go on here. Go on here, drop down. And then this one comes up on the bottom and matches it. Can't see that. Oh, wrong way. Oops. Wrong way. You get the point. This, pretty much. This is what it does. It goes here. So here's to the first wheel.
I see stars.
Well,
these bolts go through outside to inside.
we flipped it over. To answer his question,
He flipped it over. Dad flipped his lid. Riley smashed his finger. And here we go.
yes, those two go on the outside, I believe. Here we go. Off to the races.
Wish us luck.
Yeah, wish us luck.
I see stars.